Acha nichukue fursa hii kuwakaribisha wote waandishi wetu wa habari. Ningependa tu kuwajulisha ya kwamba ile game ambayo ilikuwa imetarajiwa ama ilikuwa ikingojewa, game ya Shabana Football Club na Gor Mahia, kikao ambacho tumekuwa nacho asubuhi ya leo kutoka kwa wasimamizi, kutoka kwa Federation, wenzetu Gor Mahia na sponsor, tumekubaliana ya kwamba kila kitu, maandalizi yote yamekuwa yako sawa. Mpira utacheza kesho katika uwanja huu wa Gusii Stadium. Tumehakikisha ya kwamba kila kitu na mipangilio yote imekuwa chezea ilivyokuwa imepangiliwa ama kulingana na vile tulikuwa tumeelekezwa. Kwa hivyo ningeomba mashabiki wetu wote kutoka sehemu za Gor Mahia, Shabana wapate kufika katika uwanja huu kwa wingi. Hakutakuwa na hofu yoyote kwa sababu sisi wote tumekubaliana kufanya kazi kama timu moja. Kutoka Gor, kutoka kwa sponsor na wale wote ambao wamesimamia security team, tumehakikisha na tumekubaliana kwamba tutakuwa tukifanya hii kazi katika ile hali ya umoja. So nimekaribisha sana katika uwanja huu kesho mapema tupate kushuhudia hiyo mechi kubwa sana ya Shabana Football Club na Gor Mahia, na tunatarajia ya kwamba anaye stahili kuwa mshindi ataipuka kuwa mshindi. Kama ni draw itakuwa draw, atakaye shindwa akubali kushinda. So asanteni sana, mbarikiwe na karibu kesho. Asante.
Thank you very much, members of the Fourth Estate. From my dressing code, you can see that we participated in a thorough inspection of the facility, and we are convinced as Gor Mahia that everything is in place, and we believe we are going to have a very wonderful event tomorrow. My humble request to our fans is that those who had not planned to watch the game, please make plans because everything is in place. And I would request particularly Gor Mahia fans, please adhere to the instructions, adhere to how segregation has been done, adhere to where the checking points will be. The number of seats are limited. So Gor Mahia fans, please arrive early, buy your ticket, take your seat. You will be on the right side of the stadium from the VIP section. Gor Mahia fans will occupy places G12 and G13, and ingress will be through gate I and gate A. Those are now for the regular fans, and the VIP fans will access the stadium through gate K. So we really want you people to enjoy the match and to wrap it all, adhere to all the instructions which will be given. We are sharing a sponsor, Shabana and Gor Mahia. This is a Nyanza derby. We are brothers. We don't want any animosity. From whatever I've seen since the planning stage, the meetings which have been held, there are several, which was good for the match. And I can assure you that we are going to have a memorable event tomorrow at Gusii Stadium. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen of the Fourth Estate, I think what I'd say is we are looking forward to a great game tomorrow. I think the planning around the game has been brilliant. As you've heard from Elizafan and from Ronald, all necessary measures have been put in place, and we are ready for a great game. I think from the playing units, both clubs are exuding confidence, and we are happy that they want to come and give us a match to remember. We as a sponsor are happy that we have this derby, it's the Nyanza derby, but we also call it the SportPesa derby because they are both our teams. So may the best team win. For us, we want a good game. We want the fans to come in and enjoy themselves. So yangu ni kuambia twende game. It will be a great atmosphere. Everyone is prepared on our part for security. In terms of planning, everything is set. Tungetaka mkuje na enjoy game kabisa. Like the two gentlemen said, may the best team win. For us, We want a good game, we want a great atmosphere. We have entertainment at the venue. So please come with your families, come with your kids. Let's come and enjoy the game, because we want this to be a build-up to a great second half of the season, because this is basically the first game that kicks off the second half of the season, the biggest game. So if we get this right, I believe we'll get all the others right, and we want it to be as competitive as possible, as fun as possible, and for you the fans, come and enjoy the entertainment. We assure you that everything has been put in place to ensure that it will be a great game. Thank you very much.
Chairman Shabana Football Club, and first of all I want to welcome the press. Thank you so much for your support, and as everyone has spoken from both Shabana and Mahia, we've held several meetings both in Nairobi and Kisii to make sure that tomorrow's event will be very smooth, and we are in agreement that we are sportsmen. We are here for football, and tomorrow is going to be a great day. So I want to ask our fans, this is more like a Nyanza derby from both Mahia FC and Shabana Football Club. Come in large numbers, come early, because you know this is an area that rains a bit early. If you come on time, this will be a very smooth event. And we're also thankful to our security agencies in Kisii. They've been very cooperative with us, and we have made all the arrangements in place. As you've heard the head of delegation from Mahia, he has even indicated to the fans where the Mahia fans will be seated and which gates they will be using. We have done this in a way that we have smooth running. Even the buffer zones have been inspected, and we've all agreed with the number of security agencies, both GSU, the Kenya Police, and the stewards, and our people. And also our fund management council of elders. We have spoken, they have spoken to their funds, they have spoken to their members. We are all in agreement that tomorrow we are expecting one of the three results, either win, a loss, or a draw. Whichever way it goes, it's about football. So thank you very much, and our people, let's adhere by the rules that we have put in place. Thank you so much.
All public, good afternoon. My name is Superintendent Elinetich from Central Sub-County. Tomorrow, I think we have an opportunity to host one of the biggest matches, that is Shabana FC versus Mahia here in Kisii Stadium. And therefore, today we've had a planning meeting, which we are satisfied that we've discussed all security measures as far as tomorrow's game is concerned. As is to assure everyone tomorrow that we are going to have put in place everything possible to ensure that we have a very peaceful game that all of us are going to enjoy. As a security sector, we have deployed all our officers from Kenya Police Service, Administration Police Service, and the GSU in different sections, different areas, as within the town and also within the stadium. Also, we have the traffic team that is going to ensure that all traffic movement within the town are going to move smoothly and ensure vehicles are parked at the right areas and people come to the stadium to ensure that they come, take their positions and enjoy the game. Nonetheless, mine is to wish everyone a good day tomorrow.